What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On auction or the bounce token, whatever you want to call it, I don't care, we'll talk about it, alright? And I mean, this coin has been absolutely ridiculous for the last, well, I'm not even sure for how long now, but personally, I mean, I still remember that when the price was doing something like this. I still remember the first time I got in, because I actually traded this. I think, no, I'm actually not sure when that was, or I think it was right here, all right? So I entered around $11 here, because I mean, a chart like this, and just to cut to the chase, I mean, a manipulated crypto like this, because bounce is manipulated in my eyes. That's just, I mean, you can better just buy, all right? Because coins like these usually just continue to go up. So that's has happened so far. I'm not sure if that will continue, but in the end, what I did is I exited the position from $10, 10.5 here at this top. So I should have held, but I didn't. And then I put my stop loss at like $16, so it hit the stop loss in profit and then continued higher. It doesn't matter, but it's just an interesting story. But yeah, auction right now, like I said, it's very manipulated. But that doesn't matter. You can see, for example, if you look at where the volume is coming from, there's a ton of volume. Basically, all of these exchanges, except for Coinbase, are all a little bit shady. All right, so then we're talking about SuperX, OKX, WebC, Hotcoin, Upbit, OrangeX. Usually, if a lot of volume comes from there, it is manipulated. And then apart from that, I mean, there also just is nothing happening right now at auction, even though they've done some great updates, but there's nothing justifying a move within 2 months of about 560%. All right, but then, I mean, it doesn't really matter much because auction right now is just super bullish. Like the open interest over the last day has only been increasing, and it's still increasing. The price has obviously only been bullish. So yeah, I mean, it's with these manipulated cryptos, it's just, I always try to say, I mean, I used to short them quite a lot last year, but right now in these market circumstances, when there's also just a lot of bullish momentum in the markets, it really is just better to buy, all right, when you see one of them that's just continuously moving up. So at some point of time, this will end, of course. Right now, you can see that auction is kind of stuck at $40, which is providing some resistance. With the next price target, I mean, right now we are, I believe, in all-time high territory. Yeah, the all-time high is right here at like $43. I do think we're going to go up there. I mean, like I said, the momentum over the course of today has been growing a ton. It's still going up. All right, so it would just be stupid for me to say that we will not continue going up if the momentum is still increasing. All right, so $40. I mean, if for some reason bounce or auction from here drops back down to like $34 and $35 and breaks below that level, because that's the main support right now. All right, well then the situation has changed, and then it's probably over. But I would be surprised if that happens. All right, I wouldn't be completely blown away, because in the end, a manipulated crypto like this can do that. And when auction is going to fall, it's going to fall ridiculously hard. All right, so know that. But at this moment, it's just most likely that that auction will break above $40, get up to the all-time high at 43, 44. But usually what we've seen in the last few weeks is that usually when an older crypto gets to its all-time high, like Injective, usually it blasts through. All right, so I actually do expect $50. Unless something happens, $50 is what I expect. All right, that's what you need to know. Be careful trading this, but those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.